ayusin ang si Warren dyan, and then good to go. And probably papa-car wash namin, yung detailed car wash inside and out. Today is first day of February. I'm here in Dollar Tree now kasi nagpapagupit si Warren dun sa kabilang store. So, sabi ko, punta lang ako ng Dollar Tree. Ayan, habang naghihintay siya, medyo maraming pila. Mahaba yung pila dun sa barbershop niya. Kaya, sabi ko, punta mo lang ako ng Dollar Tree para hindi ako mainip. And yeah, sorry, hindi masyadong malakas yung boses ko dahil nandito ako sa Dollar Tree. Nakakaya. Although wala naman masyadong tao, pero still. So ayan, nag-check lang ako. Nakita nyo na yung Dollar Tree, right? Nag-check lang ako ng mga new items. Probably I get a new color for Lucy kasi nga yun nga, na-rip na yung color niya. Yan, nag-check lang ako, guys. Ay, ang ganda, oh. Pang garden. They are now putting up all the garden sets para sa spring. Kanina rin may nakita si Warren na mga flowers na nagbo-bloom na sa yard namin. Ayan. So, yun na nga guys. Nabudol na naman tayo ng Dollar Tree. Meron na naman tayong haul later. Sorry na, Warren. Sorry, babe. I think all in all, I got $17 and a cents. Nabudol na naman tayo. I think tapos na naman na si Warren. Sana. Let's put this in the car first. Ito yung barbershop niya. Lagay ko lang ito sa car. Yeah. Oh God. Ooh. Yan, lagay ko na rin itong barya dito. Dahil puno na ng barya ang aking coin purse. Bagong gupit ng aking asawa. New haircut but you put on your cap. A new haircut, but you put on your cap.
Well, I wore it in there. I figured I'd at least wear it back in.
Yeah, we're heading home first kasi magpapalit ata siya ng jacket dahil malamig.
Yeah, get cold easy.
We thought that it will be warm today, but it feels like what? Below 30, it's 43 now.
43 degrees.
And yun. Pagpasok kanina dun sa barbershop, nagtatawanan sila. Nakita pala niya akong pumunta ng kotse na may daladalang mga plastic bags. I said, you're laughing when I enter the barbershop. Because you saw me having those shopping bags.
You was in there talking about it.
They talking about me behind my back.
Oh no, we kept talking when you come in. It wasn't behind your back.
Okay. And these are the few items na nabili ko sa Dollar Tree. Quick haul lang. I got Band-Aid, yung Lucy's bowl for her foods. Then I also got some socks for me. Kasi need ko siya. Kasi wala na akong masyadong socks na ganito. Puro pang winter socks. I got Butterfinger, Tricks, another Butterfinger, and then inhaler. May nakita akong inhaler dun. Ita-try ko. Also get Vaseline for my feet kasi nagkakak talaga siya in my nails dahil sa lamig. Also got, alam niyo na, card for Lucy again. Binili ko siya ng extra para kakabit ko kapag na talaga, wore out na yung kanyang color. Lastly is this one. Ito naka-sale to. 50 cents lang siya. So, $1.25 lahat. Pera lang dito na 50 cents and dito na $5. Change car. We are having this truck, si Pogi. And surprisingly, my husband will give me or check a car para magamit ko for driving lesson. It's a second-hand car. Chevy, babe. Like a small SUV.
Yep.
So we're going to go there. Yeah. Out of nowhere. He called James.
It's been thinking about it for a few weeks.
Oh, for me it's a surprise. Yeah, a surprise for me that he's going to get something for me to learn how to drive. I'm excited. It's automatic. What color is that?
White.
Color white.
I've not seen it.
I'm actually excited for that. I'm going to have a car! Yay! And nag-coat lang din kami. Ang lamig na yun, grabe. We didn't expect that this will be cold. That today will be cold. We didn't expect that. Really thought that it will be warm. Kasi kahapon ang init. Ba naka-turtleneck pa ako. Nang init. Pero, ang sabi nga, it will be colder today. So, but we didn't expect that it will be cold like this. So, I just grabbed my coat and his coat. And I'm very excited to see the car. Hopefully, there's no problem, no babe? Especially the mechanic and all.
Hopefully it's nothing much more than a tune-up.
Oh, there's chipmunks, babe.
Oh, did you see that?
Yeah. It's not a squirrel because it's
Small.
small. And then the tail is not too long. Nakita ang chipmunk. Ang liit. Sana hindi siya tumawid kundi masasagasaan. Shucks guys, hindi ko na kaya yung lamig. Pumasok na muna ako dito. Ni-check pa nila yung kotse. Ayun siya. Ayun, kotse. I-check pa nila ni Warren and James yung kotse kung ano kailangan i-fix para mapababa yung price. It's so cold, my God. Whew. We didn't expect that. Na ganito kalamig ngayon. But yes. But anyway, ayun na nga. Medyo may problem ata yung pinaka I don't know what you call it. Alternator ba? I don't know. Tapos need oil change and water pump and all. I don't know kung how much Warren will ask for it. But the car is nice. Still good. We just need to clean it. Ganun. And si Warren kasi magaling yan sa kotse. Hindi siya mekaniko pero marunong siya kumpuni ng mga cars. Lahat ng sira ng kotse namin, ng trucks, ng mga skid steer, lahat ng mga equipment niya for the business, siya lang lagi gumagawa. Kaya, believe ako dun sa asawa ko, alam lahat. Ayan. Katulong niya yon si James. Yun yung best friend niya, si James. So, usually nandun sa bahayan si James para tulungan siya magkumpuni ng mga kotse. Ayan. So, we're just waiting. Let's see kung how much that lady will offer us. I got it. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
I'm so excited to drive it. Ayan. So, by Wednesday, we will go to the clerk's office to change the title. Na-notarize na rin naman to. What are the things that needs to be fixed?
Need to put a water pump on it. Oil change. Basic tune-up.
Not a major ones.
No.
student permit sa Pilipinas. Can't wait to drive my own car. You will be my first passenger.
Well, I'll be dying in about 3 months.
Grabe ka sa akin. Good morning everyone! Today is Wednesday, February 5. Good morning, babe. And we got our title change. So, it's on our name. The new car. So, we're going to pick it up today. Also, we're just heading back home to get the Dodge. And then, we will go ahead to Bowling Green to pick up the car. And we're going to take the Dodge with us and the trailer. Did you lock the door? Okay. No. I don't need anything. Yeah, we're going to the Dodge. Magka-climb na naman ako. Tapos kasi nito ng Dodge. Alalala. Ang taas itong Dodge. Kailangan kong talunin. Wait. Woo! Yeah! Naggas lang kami dito sa 5-star and their salted caramel coffee is really good. Naghahanap ako dito ng iced coffee kaso wala. And then I checked their coffee station. Nakita ko salted caramel. So I really like salted caramel. So I tried it and it's really good. Hot coffee. Yum. Sarap. And then we got some sandwich. I got croissants for me. Croissant. Ham and egg croissant. And his is bologna. We're back home. And ayan na yung car namin. Car ko. Ayan. So, ayusin ang si Warren dyan. And then, good to go. And probably, papa-car wash namin. Yung detailed car wash. Inside and out. Para maging okay siya. And looks new ulit. Ganun. Yan, nakamura kami dyan. In fairness, super worth it. No price. Ayan. Thank you, my love. I'm very excited to try and drive. Come on, dogs. Ay, shh. Come on. You keep on following Kuya Reaper. Kuya Reaper? Kuya Reaper?
A few moments later.
So, yun na nga. Nakita na namin yung house. I am just happy and excited for my car. And then, makapag-drive na, diba? Ang saya lang. It's another blessing for us. Thank God. Everything na binibigay sa akin ni Warren, I cherished it. And I really take care of them. In fairness, nakamura kami dun Pero sabi nga ni Warren, meron daw kasi doon na merong part doon na hindi magawa-gawa ata nung mekaniko nung may-ari dati. Which Warren can do that. Can fix it. So, good thing. I'm really happy marunong talaga sa kotse itong asawa ko. Sa Pinas, takot ako mag-drive kasi ang daming motor doon, yung siksik na siksik, ayoko ng ganun. So, hindi talaga ako natuto. Dun. Pero dito kasi, Walang motor dito. Meron, pero mga big bikes. Mostly big bikes. May nakikita akong mga scooters. Pero sobrang minimal. Mga 1, 2, ganun. Pero mostly big bikes. Tsaka hindi sila yung sumisingit dito. Unlike sa Manila. Yung talagang sisingit talaga at sisingit kapag may nakitang space. Dito hindi, ibang iba. So, ingat lang kasi syempre mabibilis yung mga tao dito mag-drive. In a long run, akin mapupunta tong Nissan. So, if okay na ako mag-drive, alam ko na lahat, ganun. Parang bihasa na, wow, bihasa. Sa akin na niya bibigay ito. Sa akin talaga siya. Pero since I really need to learn, kaya binilhan niya ako ng pang-practice ko lang. Actually, this is a surprise. Dahil ang alam ko, yung Dodge yung gagamitin ko for practicing. Pero sabi niya, napag-isip-isip niya, yung Dodge kasi medyo mahal din. So, etong si James, may in-offer nga na yung kapitbahay niya, magbebenta ng kotse na second hand. Na okay pa naman, ganun. Na mura lang. So, we checked it and grabbed it. Kasi mukhang okay naman talaga yung kotse. Ang sabi niya, okay lang marek mo yun kesa yung 30,000 or 10,000 car natin. I said, okay, I know what you feel. I understand, sabi ko. Kasi itong Nissan, brand new to. And then it's like worth 25,000-30,000. And then yung Dodge, I don't know how much is worth it. Pero knowing Dodge, it's kind of pricey. Ayun, so, tsaka yun yung truck namin yun, napaka, macho. Ang macho niya tingnan. And then, napaka sturdy. Ayun, sturdy. So, ayun, sabi niya, okay lang, ma-wreck mo yan. Syempre, I don't intend to wreck the car, but just in case, mabangga ako sa mga bato, magasgas, ganun, okay lang. So, we are now back home. Currently, si Warren ay ginagawa na yung kotse. He's starting fixing the car. May binili kaming mga parang oil parts and something dun sa O'Reilly's kanina. And then, ayun. Gusto nyo na kasing kalikutin. Parang naangatin na yung kamay na kalikutin. So, nililinis ko lang yung loob nitong kotse kasi may mga natitira pang mga papers, trash, yung dating may-ari. Like this. May mga papers na ganito. So, tatapon ko lang. Well, we're planning to do a detailed cleaning naman dito sa kotse. As in, sa car wash. Ipapa-car wash namin siya in detail. Like inner and outside. So, naalis ko lang yung mga basura. It's now replacing the water pump. Well, guys, I'll probably end this vlog now because we're going to focus on this, my car. Ayun, I'm just so grateful for this blessing and for my husband to get me a new car. Yay! I'm excited. Very excited. Siyempre, sama ko kayo sa aking vlogs and drive trips. So, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. And I hope to see you on my next one. Bye! Busy si Mister. See you on my next one, guys.